Puro fluorine yung ginamit ko. Hey, you receive Airport District Neighborhood Open AE. This glory is worth sharing. Record na lang natin. Eh, yun na nga. 9.6. Thank you. Okay. Good job, guys. And that's the end of the MRO. Until next time. Congrats on winning the title Airport District Export Player in the MLBB Rising Open this week. Here's the certificate for your participation. Go equip the honorary title. Hey. Thank you. I-register sa susunod. Walang talo yon. Straight talagang panalo gamit si Florine. Hey. Hi, 5% na lang. Mada-download na fully. Ano to? Ba't na-pause? Ba't siya na-pause? Ito, resume.
Enter the game and tap the settings button in the upper right corner. Then navigate to the resource management page.
Okay.
Here, you will see all of the game's resource files divided into 3 sections. Each section contains its own resource modules, and from here you can choose specific resource packs to download or delete. Tap the download button to start the resource download. Your download status will be displayed in detail. Tap the delete button to remove unwanted resources. Be sure to check the before and after prompt before deleting resources. There is also a do not delete option for resources of content you own to minimize the impact on your game experience. To get a better understanding of each module's resource size and their impact on game experience, tap the top right corner to view more details and find the best balance between storage space and game experience for you. In addition, we have also updated the download status display on the main interface. The new display has improved icons and descriptions for resource checks, download progress, and other related info. You can also open the resource management page directly from the display.
Okay. You can download, please. Oh no, insufficient storage. No. I'm going offline. I need to delete. 5% na lang, insufficient
The weak
storage
shall
pa
be
ako.
devoured, and the spineless ground to dust.
Ano ito? Saan ba? Sport. Okay. Calculating. Okay. Hindi pa pala yung tapos. Saka napindot ko na yung lahat. Tapos na. Wala na. Okay. Nag-delete ko na ng space. Ang tawag doon? Hindi ko kailangan ng videos, pictures, and apps.